Yeah, to give you a little quick update. What I was using today, I was using the Denali Jadewood series, just a medium heavy. It's a custom worm and jig rod. Back with a Team Lose speed spool. I was throwing it on 14-pound fluorocarbon. Throwing a river to sea bling spinnerbait, and then I was using a trailer as Power Team lures, swinging a hammer. And what I did is I cut the very front of it off so it made it nice and compact. And then I was throwing around some laydowns and stuff like that. Fortunately, my battery died fairly early. I did get 2 on film, and the biggest one today was on film, so Lord bless me with that. Always remember good eye protection. Get your pair of solar bats. Have a good day.
I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross-tops in my mind. On my own, here we go. My eyes feel like they're gonna bleed, right up and bulging out my skull. My mouth is dry, my face is numb, fucked up and spun out in my room. On my own, here we go. Set on overdrive. The clock is laughing in my face. Crooked spine, my senses dulled. That's the point of delirium. On my own, here we go.